What if I told you that scientists just found a way to reprogram tumor cells so they can't cause cancer anymore? This is being done without chemotherapy. It's not some crazy dream or theory. This is actually happening right now. And it was just published in one of the most respected scientific journals in the world. So what's the secret here? What are they doing? And how does this work? Well, let me tell you, but before we get started, make sure you subscribe for more amazing science videos. Alright, so this incredible discovery was made by researchers at the Korea University of Science and Technology, or KAIST in South Korea. They have been studying ways to fight colorectal cancer using a method called cell reprogramming. Basically, they take colon cancer cells and turn them into healthy colon cells. Now you might be asking, why would they do something like that? Why not just kill the cancer cells outright? Well, it turns out that if you can reprogram the cancer cells back into normal cells, it could potentially avoid some of the nasty side effects that come with chemo and radiation therapy. And unlike killing the cancer cells, where you risk leaving behind any stray cancer cells that could then grow into a new tumor, this method gets rid of the root problem. By turning the tumor cells back into normal cells, they disappear entirely. No new tumor can form from them. Essentially, you treat the cancer cells like naughty kids, and instead of punishing them, you simply turn them back into good kids. And the best part, it seems to work. In their lab tests, they found that the reprogrammed cells didn't form any tumors at all. Now you might be wondering how they actually managed to achieve this feat. How did they turn those naughty cancer cells back into normal ones? But that's not all. These scientists are pretty crafty because they didn't stop there. They went ahead and tested this method on mice with colon cancer, and guess what? It worked wonders. The tumors shrank like magic, and after a few weeks, boom, no more cancer. And get this, when they dug deeper into the cells, they found that those sneaky cancer cells had undergone a complete transformation, turning into normal colon cells. It's like a biological miracle. Now you're probably thinking, well, great. But how does this work? How did they manage to pull off such an amazing feat? Well, let me break it down for you. You see, these brilliant scientists used a combination of two powerful tools, CRISPR and a protein called VP64. Now, CRISPR is like a pair of molecular scissors that lets scientists cut DNA at very specific spots. It's like a precise scalpel for editing genes. And VP64 is like a megaphone that turns gene editing into an amplified roar. Together, CRISPR and VP64 form an unstoppable force for changing the way our cells work. Using this dynamic duo, the scientists were able to boost the production of that master protein OCT4, which ultimately reprogrammed the cancer cells into normal cells. To put it simply, they took advantage of the fact that cancer cells often have a glitch in their DNA that makes them behave badly. By fixing that glitch with CRISPR, they unleashed the power of OCT4 and turned those unruly cancer cells into well-behaved normal cells. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. Not only did they silence the bad behavior of the cancer cells, but they also activated the good behavior of the normal cells. It's mind-blowing stuff, really. And here's the thing, this isn't some far-off futuristic fantasy. This is happening right now in real labs all around the world. Scientists are making real progress in understanding how to use cell reprogramming to fight cancer. In fact, just recently, another team of scientists from the United States successfully reprogrammed skin cancer cells into normal skin cells using a similar approach. It's like a growing chorus of researchers singing the same tune. The results are consistent and the future looks bright. But hold up, we are not done yet. There is even more exciting stuff to talk about. Get this. In another groundbreaking study, led by scientists from the United Kingdom, they not only reprogrammed cancer cells into normal cells, but they also developed a way to keep those normal cells from turning back into cancer cells. That's right, they basically taught the cells a valuable lesson, a lesson that sticks. It's like a wake-up call that tells the cells to stay on the straight and narrow path. And guess what? It worked like a charm. The reprogrammed cells stayed normal for a whopping 9 months. It's like they learned their lesson well and decided to stick with it. So what does all this amazing research mean for us regular folks? Well, let me break it down for you. First off, it means that we have a potential game changer in the fight against cancer. Instead of relying on harsh treatments like chemo and radiation, we can explore the amazing power of cell reprogramming. It's like turning the enemy into an ally. By harnessing the natural processes of our own bodies, we can trick cancer cells into becoming normal cells. Secondly, this research gives us a peek into the incredible potential of CRISPR and other gene editing tools. By precisely targeting the glitches in cancer cells' DNA, we can silence the bad behavior and activate the good behavior. It's like having a microscopic scalpel that can cut out the bad stuff while leaving the good stuff intact. Thirdly, it's a testament to the brilliance and hard work of scientists all around the world. These researchers didn't just sit around and dream about curing cancer. They rolled up their sleeves, got to work, and made it happen. Their dedication and ingenuity give us hope for a brighter future where cancer is no longer a death sentence. The fact that different teams of scientists have achieved similar results independently is like finding different paths leading to the same destination. It strengthens the reliability of these findings and makes us more confident about their potential. The future of cancer treatment is looking incredibly promising. With each new discovery, we are one step closer to finding effective and less toxic ways to fight this disease. Cell reprogramming is like a beacon of hope, guiding us towards a future where cancer becomes a manageable condition, something we can live with without the fear and uncertainty that comes with a cancer diagnosis. Who knows? Maybe one day this technology will become a standard part of cancer treatment. Imagine a world where instead of enduring painful chemo sessions, patients can simply undergo a procedure that reprograms their cancer cells into normal cells. It's not a far-fetched idea, it's happening right now. But remember, we are not there yet. While the research is incredibly promising, it's important to stay grounded. There are still many challenges to overcome and hurdles to clear before this technology becomes widely available. But that shouldn't dampen our spirits. Every scientific breakthrough, no matter how small, brings us closer to the ultimate goal. This discovery was made possible by leveraging the power of artificial intelligence and conducting thousands of experiments over a period of 5 years. They didn't rely on luck or guesswork. They used data, analysis, and sheer determination to make it happen. It's a true testament to the power of human curiosity and ingenuity. In 2025, the world will witness the dawn of a new era in medicine. AI-driven drug discovery will transform the way we treat diseases, making it faster, more effective, and more precise than ever before. By harnessing the power of data and algorithms, scientists will be able to develop life-saving drugs for conditions that currently have no cure. It's a future worth looking forward to. A future filled with hope, healing, and endless possibilities. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.